INBS stock is on the move in this pre-market session of today, the 9th of November 2023, up 76.65%. At some point, it was up around 100%, sorry, 90% as a matter of fact. So 0.4404. Let's see. I think that at some point that it will actually reach almost 100%. Because 0.4413 is roughly 100% of where it closed yesterday. It closed at 0.227. That's roughly 0.2214. So yeah, easily reached that 100% at some point in this pre-market session. Let's see whether there's no news so far. And so far 40 million shares have crossed the tape. It's a penny stock. And this is definitely the order book. So market participants are projecting higher prices, 0.4467, but also they're also expecting that it might also pull back, which is normal, which is natural with stocks that are on the move in the pre-market session. Let's see whether we can find any news as it concerns INBS, and indeed see what the projections are saying. So let's see any news here. Earnings flash: Intelligent Biosolutions post for first quarter revenue. Okay, reports are fiscal first quarter financial results. Let's see. First quarter revenue and government support income increased to 191% year over year and 88% sequentially due to strong organic growth and execution of expansion plans, increased market share organically in existing markets and enter South American markets, advanced plans for expansion in the US, completed critical development milestone in plans to add new assays for ketamine and tramadol to the intelligent fingerprinting drug screening system. Okay, the company, is it a government contractor or something like that? Possibly, but it's a penny stock. And okay, this is the one-day chart. So there are the projections for its 10-day moving averages indicating that by Thursday, exactly 1 week from today, it's going to reach, it's projecting that that moving average will get to $0.7357, and we have let's see, upper projections above where it is right now of 1.12, and we also have 1.88, and also we have 2.9. Those are the projections on the one-day chart. So let's see whether we can look at the daily chart. Sorry, this is the daily chart. Let's see if we can look at the 1 week chart. On the 1 week chart, we have strength is projected, but we don't have projections. And strength is projected for its 10-day moving average. So let's look at the 45-minute chart and see. Okay, this is it's more graphic here. It's more being a 45-minute chart. It's going to print more. It's going to print more often than a one-day chart. So yeah, this is what we're looking at right now, and we have 0.48. So it actually got higher than it. Actually get more than 100%. We have 0.4806 here, and it's pulling back from and just getting support, I believe, on its 10-period moving average. So, but weakness is projected. Weakness is projected for which is natural. You know, the stock has been on the move in this pre-market session, so maybe when the market opens, there's a good chance it's going to pull back, but also rebound again to 0. Okay, its weakness is projected on its 10-period moving average all the way down to 0.1881. Okay, that would be drastic, and then pull back again to around where it closed yesterday, just above that. But in any case, this is pretty much what's going on. The company reported a huge amount of and a very impressive earnings outcomes Yeah, that is definitely why it's on the move. So this is the 1 minute chart. Okay, let's move on to the next stock. That will be JAN. Jan1 is also on the move. Let's see. It's up 24.14%. Let's see whether we can see whether there's any news. No news has filtered through. Penny stock as well. 2.14 million shares have crossed the tape. Okay, this is the 1 minute chart. There isn't any news. Okay, let's look at the 45-minute chart and see what we are. Okay, so this is just, I think this is this pre-market session, I want to believe. Or was it yesterday? Yesterday, yes, it closed at spiked to all the way towards $0.5418 and has pulled back, and then tried to rebound again, got a rejection, and pulling back again. So towards the end of yesterday's session, it ran up a huge gain, spiked, I want to believe up to 50% spike, you know. Okay, let's have a look at the 1 day chart and see what we have there for Jan. Okay, so strength is projected on its 10-day moving average continuously up till Thursday the 16th of November at $0.4301. Okay, let's see where it's going to spread it trading at right now. It's trading at 0.3951. Yeah, so there are a couple of projections above where it is right now. A couple of them, I think I can see 0.3755 probably has exceeded that, going by what's going on now. 0.4164, 0.4711, 0.5394, and all the way towards 0.7169. But there are indeed also downward projections. We have 0.2252 and 0.0340 on the 1 day chart for Jan1. Let's see, look at the 1 week chart. Okay, on the 1 week chart we have some strength is projected all the way towards 0.122 for Monday the 11th of December. Obviously this is the 1 week chart. It doesn't print till I want to believe it prints every Monday. Yeah, so it's trading below its most upper projection of $0.9301. So, but there are also upper projections. The one after that, the one after the most upper the most immediate upper projection, it has a 0.9301. So the one above that is 3.34, and these projections go all the way towards 17.51. So, but once again, there isn't any news that we know of that is behind this rally. Even that of yesterday, we haven't seen either. Okay, so let's move on to BAK. Braskem is Braskem is in the move. Okay, let's see. There must be some news here, I want to believe. ADNOC makes a fresh bid to buy stake in Brazil's Braskem. Okay, that's what we are looking at right now. Let's see. Brazilian petrochemical producer Braskem said today that Abu Dhabi's oil company has presented a fresh non-binding offer to buy conglomerate Novo North's stake in the firm. Novo North, formerly known as Odebrecht, is Braskem's main shareholder alongside state oil firm Petrobras, but has been long looking to sell its controlling stake as part of a broader restructuring. According to Braskem, ADNOC's bid implies the price of 37.29 reais per share of the company, with an equity value of 10.5 billion reais, around $2.14 billion, for Novo North's 38% 8.3% stake in the petrochemical producer. Braskem said ADNOC offered to pay the $10.5 billion RIAS in two parts, 50% in cash upon closing of the deal, and another 50% via an ADNOC senior equity instrument maturing in 7 years with an annual interest of 7.25%. The petrochemical company cited the letter exchange with Novono in its statement. So it's Abu Dhabi's oil company is trying to buy the stake of Novono in Braskem. So that is probably why we are looking at the huge rally we are talking about right now. So let's see what's going on with BAK. BAK obviously is not, Braskem is not a penny stock, up 23.9%, but not a lot of shares have crossed the tape so far. Okay, let's look at the, this is the 1 minute chart. We have it was quite volatile a few minutes ago, plunged all the way down to $6.99 and then bounced back again. So this is the 1 minute chart. Let's look at the 45-minute chart. Okay, so we have spike all the way towards $9.18 at some point in this pre-market session, and that was above an upper projection it has of $9.09. So the projections go all the way towards 9.91, and then below that is 9.69. But on this 45-minute chart, the 10-period moving average is projected to show some weakness, and all the way down to 7.27, 7.24 at some point. So let's look at the 1-day chart on Braskem. Okay, Braskem is on the 10-day moving average. We have that strength is projected up till Thursday, the 16th of November, all the way towards 7.93. Let's see what it's trading at right now. It's 7.93, so it has since exceeded that price, 8.91. So, but obviously this chart isn't active because the market hasn't opened, so it's not maybe not, it hasn't because of that, hasn't the algos haven't recalculated anything yet. So right now, as things stand, it has projections all the way towards 8.21, which is around where it is right now. But there are also downward projections all the way down towards $5.6, and above that is 6.31. Above that is 6.58. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what's going on with ZAPP, ZAPP electric vehicles. Okay, so this is the 1-day chart for the stock, and the strength is equally projected as well. Let's see whether there's any fresh news. Okay, no fresh news. The news there is only as of 19th of October. So strength is projected, obviously, as I indicated. So we have an upper projection of 0.3839, .4570. So these projections go all the way towards 0.8956 and towards 1.33 on this daily chart for ZAPP. So if we have a look at the 45-minute chart, we might be able to see the previous highs it may have printed in this pre-market session. Okay, so this was printed. Was it printed today? Yes, it was printed today. $0.30 was printed. 0.3039 was printed at some point. If we go to a more frequent, a shorter interval chart, a chart with a shorter interval, that's a 5-minute chart. We have 0.3084. So yeah, projections on this 5-minute chart all the way towards 0.4502, and below that is 0.3664, but there are also downward projections all the way down towards 0.1463. So let's get the volumes for ZAPP. Up at 19.37, no news, and 4.533 million shares have crossed the tape. Okay, so market participants are projecting our pricing moves towards 0.3064, and I believe that it has actually printed some of this sort of prices already in this pre-market session. So it's up 20.68. We haven't found any news. So once again, before we wrap up, let's look at INBS, up 77.09%, 15.52 million shares have crossed the tape. It's a penny stock. Let's look at JAN. JAN is a Jan1, up 33.39, 2.212 million shares have crossed the tape. Let's look at a BAK. BAK up, that's Braskem up 23.9%, only a handful of shares, 78,533. Okay, let's look at the ZAPP. ZAPP electrical vehicles up 20.78%, 4.537 million shares have crossed the tape, up 20.83%. So see what you make of these stocks, and drop a comment in the comment box, ask a question, and we'll see how we can go about that. And thank you very much for watching this video.